Assalamu alaikum class 8. This is Mrs. Taranum Shiraz, your English grammar teacher. I have to start my lesson from section vocabulary and usage, lesson number 1, and the first topic is formation of verb. Before describing formation of verb, I must clear that we know that verb is an action word and it may be stative, transitive, intransitive and auxiliary. But right now I just have to explain you some of the rules to form verb from an existing noun. Well, let's get started with the rules to form noun. Rule number 1, we can see that some nouns end in CE. To form a verb, CE is replaced by SE. For example, advice ending in CE, and this is noun, while the verb is advice ending in SE. In the same way, practice, practice. This rule tells you about the nouns that end in SSION. To form a verb, SSION is replaced by T. Meanwhile, some may needn't to add T but just omission of ION. For example, possession, possess, submission, submit, admission, admit. In the same way, some of the nouns end in SION. To form a verb, SION is replaced by D or DE. For example, conclusion, conclude, extension, extend. Dear students, some nouns also end in TION. To form a verb, ION or TION is replaced conditionally by E. For example, participation, participate, determination, determine. Here you can see that some of the nouns need suffixes IZE to form a verb, like general, generalize, capital, capitalize. Some more nouns need suffixes to be added to form noun, to form a verb. Dear students, some nouns need prefixes en to form a verb. For example, large, enlarge, title, untitle. Some nouns need suffixes en to form a verb. For example, height, heighten, less, lessen. Here you can see that some nouns need prefixes em to form a verb. For example, par, empower, body, embody. Some dual nouns may be formed by omitting er or r, like listener, listen, teacher, teach, driver, drive. Some other nouns may also have the following forms of verb. For example, blood, bleed, choice, choose, safe, save, believe, believe. Students, hope you would have understood the formation of noun very clearly, but yet if have any query regarding this, you may ask my WhatsApp number. I'll answer you to my earliest convenience. Now there is a homework and you have to do all the homework given in your separate notebook. Wish you a very healthy and happy life. Thank you.